Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add contact to your favorite on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Staying focused on your favorite is now easier on WhatsApp. Starting today, you can quickly find the people and group that matter to you at the top of your calls tab and as a filter for your chat. Whether it's a family group chat or a close group of friends, your favorite will remain the same across chat and calls. So you can also make quick calls from the calls tab. So how to do it? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. As you can see on the top of WhatsApp, you can see all, unread, favorite, and groups. You can, because we want to add favorite contacts to this WhatsApp, you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings. You'll see there is an option favorites. You can tap on that. And the favorite make it easy to find the people and group that matter most across WhatsApp. Tap on add favorite. Here you can choose contacts that you want to add to your favorite. You can also add groups to your contact. You can tap on checklist after finish. Now here's your favorite list on your WhatsApp. When we go back to chat and you go to your favorite like this, you will see all contacts that on your favorite list. You can also add groups to your favorite list. You can choose on the group, open the group info. You can scroll down and you will see there is an option add to your favorite. You can tap on that. You can go back and let's see. Now that groups is on your favorite list. When you open your calls, you can also see your favorite list on the top of call list. So that is how to add contact to your favorite on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!